In today's video, I will show you how to recover missing old messages on Messenger. When you notice older conversations have vanished from your view, it usually boils down to a couple of common things, like a chat that accidentally got tucked away or a security feature keeping your data safely locked in the cloud. Messenger handles billions of daily communications, and to keep things clean, it offers an archiving tool that lets you hide a chat without actually wiping it out. To check if a missing conversation was simply hidden, open the Messenger app and tap the menu, which is the three lines down in the bottom right corner. From there, tap Archive and look through the list to find the conversation you want to recover. All you have to do is tap and hold it, then tap on Archive, and it will immediately return to your main inbox where you can see it again. Now, if the messages are completely gone, the culprit is likely tied to Meta's end-to-end encryption setup, which secures your chats so that only you and the recipient can read them. If this secure storage isn't syncing properly, your history might fail to show up when you log in on a new phone or laptop. To get things moving again, go to your Messenger settings, tap Privacy and Safety, and then select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Next, tap Message Storage, and if your chats are still failing to sync up, you can try resetting your PIN or temporarily turning off secure storage, which often forces the app to refresh and pull down your entire chat history. And that's it. That's how you recover missing old messages on Messenger.